Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Photos. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Photos, you should just go to Settings. Here you click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. After that you will enter to the window of Google Photos. Then we click on First Stop and we click OK. After that we will enter to the window of Storage. Here we click Clear Cache. And in the end you can turn off your here we go to your Wi-Fi. You can turn off your Wi-Fi and then you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.